Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Y'all, I just did Leos and it was seriously split because, I saw somebody coming in. I was hoping like, okay, it could be split for y'all, but no, this is screaming a past person because I feel like whoever you guys were dealing with in the past, and y'all know who I'm talking about, the person's name, picture, face, it just popped up for y'all, okay? Y'all know who I'm talking about. So this person, I feel like they're trying to come back to you to express how they truly feel. The problem is, I feel like there could have been addictions that played a big factor in the relationship between the two of you. And it just some type of codependency where they were helping other people or they were just codependent to someone else, vice versa, whatever. But I do feel like they're trying to stand up more for themselves because I'm hearing, I don't know why I just heard childhood. So maybe there was some type of trauma in someone's childhood, and this is why this person behaves, acts, thinks the way that they do because of something that they were seeing or they learned. And I feel like they're trying to get out of that mindset, get out of that mentality. That could be what they're codependent to, things that they learned, things that they saw in the past. For some of you guys, this person definitely dealt with you in a past life. So I feel like they want to come to you to tell you how they truly feel, but they're afraid that you're going to turn them down. So let's just see. Let's hop in. Let's just see what comes out. Some of them feel stuck in a codependent situation. I just heard that. Yeah, let's just see what comes out. All right, Spirit. What's going on with Aquarius? Okay, guys, bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Pentacles reversed. So this is telling me that at one point this person was frustrated. I definitely feel like it could have been something with their stability, their money. And that's why codependency could be here, because this person could have been helping someone out financially. Maybe they're stuck because they're scared they have to give to someone. It's a lot of scenarios I'm picking up. Or somebody was helping them out. But I feel like this is why things were moving slow between the two of you. And now this person is like, you know what? If they were giving money to someone, they have to give money. It's like, just do what you have to do. I got to give it to this person because I want out of this situation because it's stopping me from being with the person that I want to be with. So they're coming out of that situation. See? There was a third party. There's definitely some type of third party here. I do feel like something with money is involved in this situation. I'm picking that up heavily. And that just kind of like what I was just telling you guys. They're just to the point where they're like, you know what, if whatever I gotta do just to get out of this situation, I'm just gonna do it because this has been holding me back. I can't continue to keep doing this because we're not going anywhere. You're controlling me. You're trying to hold on to me. Whatever, situation's going on, whether it's an ex or it's family. But they are scared that things may not improve with you because of what they have done. And see, they're not happy. This person isn't happy at all, Aquarius. Tell me more, please. Yeah. Because I do feel like you guys you had to walk away from them. You had to. Because they weren't being honest. For some of you guys, I just heard that they were leading you on. It's just, it wasn't a good situation, so you had to walk away. And I feel like this person wants to come back to you to express their love. They want to express how they truly feel, but they're scared. If they do it, you're going to walk away from them again because they hurt you. Tell me more. Yeah. Because they did put you in a third-party situation. They did. Tell me more. Yeah, they're using their intuition. I just heard this person wants to ask you out. So if you haven't been speaking to this person, it's like they want to come to ask you to come out with them, just to speak their truth. So let's see how this goes. Let's see. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I'm telling you, this person knows that they hurt you. Look at that. I got the King and the Queen of Cups, but see, their backs are turned. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm going to actually move these down here because I want to keep them together. So, y'all see how their backs are turned? And they're both looking the other way? Both of you guys are hurt. You guys could definitely be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but if not, this is your soulmate. This is definitely your soulmate. And it's like, you both are hurting. You both are sad because it's like y'all aren't together. But I do feel like, Aquarius, if you were the one that was done wrong, you had no choice but to walk away from this person. So it's like, even though you're sad because you wanted to be with this individual, because of the nonsense that they were doing to you and that whatever they got going on in their situation, you had to walk away. You had to put your foot down, set that boundary, and chuck a deuce. Okay, you had to go. And so, but you're hurting because you love this person. And this person is sad because they really want to be with you, but they were stuck in something codependent. You know, so it's like, you guys are kind of like, I'm not reaching out. I'm not going to say anything to you. You need to come to me. If you want to be with me and there's something that you need to say or you want to make things right, you need to reach out. And I don't blame y'all. I don't blame you one bit. Because see, what's good about it is, I'm starting to remember some of y'all readings from the previous, few months, and the person that you were dealing with has a hard time speaking their truth. But see, the King of Cups is sitting upright, which is amazing because that's telling me that this person is breaking down to the point where if you have not heard from them, they are getting ready to reach out to you. From what I'm feeling and what I'm picking up, they want to reach out to you. It's just, I need them to put the action behind it. So they know that they have to speak some truth to you, because if not, you're gone for good. They know it. Tell me more. Yeah, see, this person's frustrated, but see, they're clearing away obstacles in order to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but see, this is why they're not moving forward with you right now, Aquarius, because they're trying to take care of some things on their end. See what I'm saying? This person, they want to balance things out, but I'm telling you, this person has to give money away to someone. Whoever they were stuck in a codependent situation with, they have to give money. So, like, if it's an ex that they were helping out financially, they were giving money, they still have to settle something. If it was like, if they have a child or children, somebody could be taking them to court for child support, or this person has been threatening taking them to court, and so they have to give money. They know it. If it's a marriage and they're going through a divorce, they got to give money. If it's family and they've been helping with them, them, like, say for instance, if it's like a mom, dad, sister, immediate family members, this person felt obligated to help. So it's kind of like, here you are, they want to be with you, but you see this other person over here begging. I said begging. They were begging, okay? They know that they have to give to this other individual, or that's how they were feeling. And it's like, I feel like they have to shut that off. But if it's immediate family, it's kind of hard, because it's like, you're my mom, you're my dad, you're my sister, whoever it is, and they're trying to find some type of balance because they want to come and make things right with you. But they feel like they're stuck between a rock and a hard place. But see, because of them feeling stuck, like they have to give to this person, this is why their finances have been suffering. Don't get me started today, y'all, okay? See, some of you guys could have been dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, this person's having a hard time. I really feel like it's with their finances, and that's why they're having a hard time speaking their truth to you. But they did make a decision. They don't want to argue. I feel like they don't want to argue with whoever they were in this codependent situation with, and it's somebody from their past. Could be childhood, family. Like I said, it could be ex-family, whoever. But also when it comes to you, they don't want to argue with you. They don't. They're going through it, y'all. Don't be over there saying good. But I'm telling y'all, this person is frustrated because of their finances. There is something going on with their money. I'm telling you, this person is frustrated. And see, they know that they were taking a long time to make a decision when it comes to you. So I do feel like they're frustrated because of that. But see, they've been getting advice from someone. They've been talking to someone. For those that have to go through like a legal situation, I do feel like they've been speaking to a lawyer, trying to get advice, because they're getting ready to take a leap to do whatever they have to do to settle some type of financial settlement to get out of the situation in order to take the leap to come towards you. They've definitely been speaking to someone about that, but they've also been speaking to someone to get advice on how to win you back. Because see, look, my 9 of Pentacles, it came out reversed and it landed right on top of codependency. I'm telling you, this person, whoever you're thinking about, or this resonates with, this person is stuck due to some type of financial situation, and this is why they're not single, or this is why they have not freed themselves. And they're pissed because they don't have a peace of mind, because they know that they made the wrong decision, and they're regretting everything now. They're regretting it. Tell me more. Yeah, and see, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you because of what they've done. And see, look, they're in their head. They feel like they lost you for good, Aquarius. They feel like it's done. It's over with. And see, some of you guys could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I do feel like this person knows that they want to be with you. And it's like the King of Wands is someone who is very confident. They're coming for you. The issue is they got to get out of this financial situation. They need to get that squared away. And that's why I feel like this person is taking their time coming towards you. Because, see, I'm telling you, this person did take a financial loss. I'm telling you, somebody drained them financially. And they have to pay. Or they've been paying, depending on the situation. But I do feel like they've been trying to get their stability together. See? And that's why they want to come to you to give you an offer. But I do feel like it's a small offer because they know that you guys don't trust them anymore. They messed up bad and they know it. So they're going to come to you to give you an offer. But see, they're afraid that they messed up so bad that they're not going to be able to work anything out. Tell me more. Back and forth about Five of Pentacles. See, this person left you out in the cold, Aquarius. They know they messed up. They left you out in the cold. And guess what? Karma hit them. Your justice will serve because this person got left out in the cold financially speaking. That's why there's such an emphasis on money with this person. It's like they chose to stay with a person or they chose to keep helping a person. This person drained them. And see, now karma, it came back. It did. But see, yeah, some of them, it could have been like a family situation, but I'm hearing that they do want to have wish fulfillment with you. They want to be with you. See, this person's going to give you an offer in Aquarius. Look at that. This person wants to be with you. They want to commit to you. They want to marry you. And there's your offer. It is a secure offer coming in. Because, see, in the past, they were playing around. But, see, this person feels like you're not going to accept their offer of commitment. For those of you that this person is in a commitment, a relationship, even a marriage, they have to get out of this before they can give you this offer. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus. But see, this person wants things to improve with you, but they also need things to improve with their finances. And until that happens, they don't even know how to even approach you. They don't even know what to do. And this is why they're moving slow. Okay. See? They want, the way this came out, they want to have a commitment with you, but they're afraid it's not going to take place. I do feel like I was saying before, for those of you that your person is in a relationship or they're married, they're trying to get out of that situation. They know what they need to do. They just need to put action behind it. Or if they're going through a legal situation, they're waiting on a decision. And that could be what's prolonging this. Yeah. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this person definitely wants to balance things out. Tell me more. Yeah, because I'm telling y'all, this person's regretting their decisions. They're regretting everything because they hurt you. And see, they know that they have to come and speak their truth to you. But they're afraid you're not going to take their offer. And they're also afraid because, see, before this person that you were dealing with, they could have a lot of money. And, you know, that was something, it's like ego. They knew they could have and do and get whatever they wanted to do, whoever they wanted. But, see, now they met their match, okay? This person met their match and now they're paying the price for it. And, see, their stability, even though they could be making really good money, it's just their finances are not where they would like to have it. And that's why I'm seeing such an emphasis. Because, see, now, not only with their stability, they're just afraid if they give you this offer. I'm telling you, they're afraid you're not going to take it. They feel like they don't even deserve you. Because the seeds that they planted with you, they're not growing. You know? They feel like it's not going to go anywhere. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But, yeah, I'm telling you, there's a mother that could have been interfering. This is someone's ex. There's somebody here that was definitely interfering. And I feel like the person that messed up, they want to come and speak their truth to you. There is going to be communication coming in. They want to have a new opportunity with you with the Ace of Swords. Look at that. The world. New opportunity. This person is planning. They're planning to come back towards you. Tell me more. But they're afraid that things may not improve with you because you don't want to put the time, effort, or energy into the situation anymore.